This was the way the princesses used to walk up to their castle. How many turrets?
So you've come to the castle today?
Yes.
For a big adventure. So would you like to try a dress on?
Yeah.
Over you go. Put your hands through. Something to cover your head. How's that? Is that okay?
Yeah. We feel like princesses. We feel like princesses a lot.
When you're walking, we don't want to trip. Hold the sides, peek the toes, and then you can walk. Straight backs. There we go. And we own the castle.
I love my dress.
Now then, princesses, this is a peregrine falcon. It's the fastest bird in the world. It's the sort of bird they would have used to catch food for us. You want to stroke him?
I like going to the top of the tower. Those mountains are beautiful over there. It's like when Homebridge is... It's when Homebridge... I can't say it. 100% good. I think Dad would have made a great night. I thought I was the best anywhere. I've had loads and loads of fun at Cornwall Castle. Are we allowed to be princesses when we get home, Mum?